Dear 6th standard students, welcome back to the serious section of maths. Now we are going to solve exercise 4.4. Let us get into the session.
Look at this exercise 4.4. First one, find the type of lines marked in the thick lines, that is parallel or intersecting or perpendicular. Listen, first one, they given a house. In that, here the thick lines. What is that type of line? That is parallel line. First one answer, parallel line. Next one, matchbox. They given matchbox. Listen this. Here the thick line. That is also example for parallel line. So answer parallel line. Next one, scissor. They given a scissor. Listen here. Here one line that is intersect the another line. So that is intersecting line. That is the answer. Second one, find the parallel and intersecting line segments in the picture given below. Listen, they are given a cube, right? Here we want to find out parallel lines and intersecting line. Listen here, AB and CD is the parallel line. So AB, that is line segment, and DC. Next one, AD and BC. First front box finished. So AD and BC. Next one, this side, DC and GH. DC and GH, and DH and CG. Next, this side, AB and EF. AB and EF. Next one, AE and BF. AE and BF. Next, back side, EF and GH. EF and GH. Next, EH and FG. EH and FG. Next one, intersecting line. Listen, first A, that intersect B, D and E. So AB, AE and AD. Next one, D, DA, DC, DH. DA, DC, DH. Next one, B, BA, BC, BF. BA, BC, BF. Next, C, CB, CF, then CD. CB, CG and CD, and then E, EA, EH, EF. EA, EH, EF. Next one, H, HD, HE and HG. HD, HE and HG. Next F, FB, FE, FG, FE, FB, FG. Next G, GC, GH, GF, GC, GH, GF. These are the answer. Third one, name the following angles as shown in the figure. Listen, angle 1. We have to name of the angle we have to write down. CBD. Angle 1 is here, that is CBD or DBC. So CBD or angle DBC. Next angle 2, that is DBE or EBD. DBE or EBD. Next one, angle 3, EBA or ABE. ABE or EBA. Next angle 1 plus 2. So this one angle 1 plus 2, CBE. So angle CBE or EBC. Next one, angle 2 and 3. 2 plus 3. So DBA or ABD. Angle DBA or angle ABD. Angle 1 plus 2, angle 3. So ABC or CBA. ABC or CBA. That is the answer. Next one, measure the angles of the given figures using protractor and identify the type of angles as acute, obtuse, right or straight. Listen, first one, measure this one. Center of the starting point is the center of the protractor, and measure this one, that is 90 degree. So first one 90 degree, so that is right angle. Next one, measure this one, that is the starting point. So set this one as the center and measure the angle, that is 40, here 40, 45, 46. So 46 degree, that is, what type of angle is this? Acute angle, that is less than 90 degree, no? So acute angle. Next one, third, measure this one, it is no need to measure, that is 180 degree, so that is straight angle. Then last one, measure this one as, how much is this? 90, 100, 104. That is 90, above 90, so obtuse angle. That is the answer. Fifth one, from the figures given below, classify the following pairs of angles into complementary and non-complementary. Listen, we given the angles. Add these two angles. If you get 90 means it is complementary, otherwise non-complementary. Add these two angles, 45 plus 45, that is 90 degree. So it is complementary angle. And then next one, 25 plus 25 degree, that is equal to 50. It is not equal to 90 degree, so it is non-complementary. Next one, 75 plus 105. 75 degree plus 105 degree. Add this one means we get 180 degree, that is not equal to 90 degree. So it is non-complementary. Next one, fourth, 38 degree plus 52 degree, that is equal to 90 degree. So it is complementary. That is the answer. Sixth one, from the figure given below, classify the following pairs of angles into supplementary and non-supplementary. Listen, first one, like that complementary, we have to add these two angles, and if we get 180 means it is supplementary, otherwise non-supplementary. So first 30 plus 120, that is equal to 150 degree. So it is non-supplementary. Next one, 85 plus 95, we get 180 degree, so it is supplementary. And third one, add these angles, 120 degree plus 110 degree, we get 230 degree. So it is non-supplementary. And last one, add these two angles, 150 degree plus 30 degree, it is equal to 180 degree. So it is supplementary. That is the answer. Seventh one, from the figure. Listen, this figure we have to find out the answer. Name a pair of complementary angles. Complementary means we have to add two angles, means we get 90 degree. That is complementary angle. Here FAD is the 90 degree. It is split into two angles. So FAE and EAD are the complementary angles. So answer FAE and EAD. That is the complementary angle. Next one, name a pair of supplementary angle. Listen, supplementary means 180 degree. So it is 180 degree split into this one. So FAD and DAC. FAD and DAC. First one. Next EAD. EAD and DAB. This one is the straight angle, no? So it is split into this angle and this angle. So angle EAD and DAB. Next one, same angle split into another way. How is that? EAC and CAB. EAC and CAB. Next one, this same angle split into next way, that is FAE and EAC. FAE and EAC. So that is the answer. Eighth sum, think and write an object having parallel lines, perpendicular lines, intersecting lines. Listen, parallel lines. First we think about railway track. Next one, edges of the scale or book. Next one, legs of the bench or table or chair. These are the examples of parallel lines. Next, perpendicular line. Adjacent sides of the door and adjacent side of blackboard. And cross bar of windows. Next one, intersecting line. Intersecting line, that is scissor. And then we use cutting blade. You know that? And then side bar of windows. That is the answer. One, which angle is equal to twice its complement? Which angle? So that we don't know the angle. So let the angle be x. Complement. So that is two angles. One is x, another one is twice its complement, means twice of x. So twice its complement equal to 2 into x, that is 2x. They given that is complementary. So add this two angles, x plus 2x we get what angle? Complementary means 90 degree. So 3x, x plus 2x equal to 3x equal to 90 degree. So x equal to 90 degree. Here 3 is in multiplication. Bring this side means division. So x equal to 30 degree. So the angle is 30 degree. Its complement is 2x, that is 2 into 30, 60 degree. That is the answer. 10th sum, which angle is equal to 2/3 of its supplement? Like the 9th sum, we don't know the angle, so let the angle be x and its supplement is two-third. So that is equal to 2/3 into x. Now we add this two angles, x plus 2 into x, 2x by 3 equal to how much? 180 degree. 3 into x, 3x plus 2x whole divided by 3, that is equal to 180 degree. Now 5x equal to, here 3 is in division, bring this side means multiplication. Now x equal to 180 into 3 divided by, here 5 is in multiplication, bring this side means division. Now the cancellation, 5 1 is 5, 5 3s are 15, balance 3, it becomes 30, so 6 times. So remaining number equal to 36 into 3, that is equal to 108. So x equal to 108. Now its supplement equal to 2/3 of x, that is equal to 2/3 into x. What is the value of x? 108. Now cancel this number, 3 1 is 3, 3 3s are 9, balance 1, it becomes 18, 6 times. So 2 into 36, that is 72 degree. So 72 degree plus 108, we get 180 degree. So it is supplementary angle. That is the answer. 11th one, give two angles are supplementary and one angle is 20 degree more than other. Find the two angles. So we don't know the angle, means let the angle be x. One angle is x, means another angle is 20 more than the other. So other angle equal to 20 more than x. So that is 20 plus x. Now add this two angles means we get 180 because they given supplementary. So x plus 20 equal to 180. So 2x plus 20 equal to 180. 2x equal to 180 minus 20 degrees. So that is x equal to 180 minus 20, that is 160. Here 2 is in multiplication, Bring this side means and it is division. Cancel these numbers. 2 1 is 2. 2 8s are 16. So 80. So x equal to 80 degree. Now another one angle equal to 80 degree. Another angle equal to 20 plus x. So 80 plus 20, that is 100 degree. So the angles are 100 degree and 80 degree. That is the answer. 12th sum. Two complementary angles are in ratio 7:2. Find the angles. Listen. Ratio of the angles equal to 7:2. So total number of parts, we know that the ratios. So total number of parts 7 plus 2, 9. The two angles are complementary. So one angle equal to 7 by 9 into 90 degree. Complementary means 90 degree. So cancel this number. 9 1 is 9. 9 10s are 90. 7 into 10, 70 degree. Other angle, another angle equal to 2 by 9. Out of 9, 2 parts is next angle from 90 degree. So cancel this number. 9 1 is 9. 9 10s are 90. So 2 into 10, 20 degree. Therefore, two complementary angles are what's that? 70 degree and 20 degree. That is complementary now. 70 plus 20, 90. So it is complementary angles. That is the answer. 13th sum. Two supplementary angles are in the ratio 5:4. Find the angles. Like the last sum, they given the ratio. What is that? Ratio equal to 5:4. The angles, that is total number of parts equal to 5 plus 4, that is 9 parts. The angles are supplementary. One angle equal to, first angle is 5 parts. So 5 parts out of 9 from how much? Supplementary means 180 degree. Now cancel the numbers. 9 1 is 9. 9 2s are 18. Put the 0 means 20 degree. So 5 20s are 100. 100 degree. Another angle equal to, next part is 4. 4 out of 9 into 180. Cancel this number. 1 9 is 9. 2 9s are 18. 20. So 4 20s are 80 degree. Therefore, two supplementary angles are 100 degree and 80 degree. At this angle, 100 plus 80, 180. So it is supplementary angle. That is the answer. Here exercise 4.4 is over. With this exercise, the chapter is completed. Children, practice well. I'll say again at next chapter. Thank you.